Hello everyone, welcome you all to Math Bridges Fun with Math. It's an exciting multiplication tables activity which enables the child to learn the tables with ease and love. Let's get into the video how to do this activity now. Make a 10 by 10 grid like this. Keep it ready. 10 by 10 in the sense we'll have 100 boxes over here. Now in these boxes you write the numbers starting from 1 to 100 in the horizontal way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. So 1 to 100 we have to write it over here. To do this activity we can consider our names, our friends' names or cousins or your family members' names. It's up to you what you want to take, or else if it is grade 2 and 3 level you can consider the number names. If you are learning number names newly, like maybe 1 and 2 grade, you can take the number names, or else you can consider the great mathematicians Shakuntala Devi, Aryabhatta, Ramanujan and many more mathematicians names you can consider, and we can start the activity. And you should have some color pencils. I'll consider my name only to make this activity. It's Pavani, P-A-V-A-N-I. Now let's count how many letters are there in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my name, it consists of 6 letters. That means we are going to make a table of 6. If your name consists of 8 letters, so you are going to make 8 table. If it consists of 11 letters, you are going to make a table of 11. So it's up to you. It may be your friend's name, any name you can consider, or mathematicians, and you can start doing it. Now take a color pencil of your choice. It should be visible when you are writing in the grid. So start writing your name. I have taken Pavani, my name, P-A-V-A-N-I. It stopped at 6. So circle 6 now. Now again repeat the same method. P-A-V-A-N-I. It stopped at 12. Circle 12. Now again start writing P-A-V-A-N-I. So circle 18. You take your name and you can try it. It stopped at 24. Now it stopped at 30. Next, P-A-V-A-N-I, stopped at 36. Even you can take the cricket players like Dhoni, you can take Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, your favorite names you can take and try the table. Now repeat the name. It stopped at 42 now. Next it is at 48. Next at 54. Next at 60. Repeat the process same way till you reach 100. 72 now. N-I, it stopped at 78. P-A-V-A-N-I stopped at 84. N-I stopped at 90. N-I, P-A-V-A-N-I, it stopped at 96. That's it now. If I write P-A-V-A, that's it. If you increase the grid, still more numbers you can have. It's up to you how you want to take. Now, let's see whether our 6 table is ready or not. You can check it. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 and so on. You can check it parallelly here. The table also it's been given. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36 we got, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Then comes 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72, 6 13s are 78, 6 14s are 84, 6 15s are 90 and 6 16s are 96. As we have written till 100, we got it till 16. So quite interesting, right? You can take your favorite names and you can start writing different tables. It can be taken as an activity. House-wise also you can take. 4 different houses, whatever you are having. Take different mathematicians' names and you can talk about the mathematicians in the class. Or else take your teachers' names and you can write different tables. Each person should recite the table. Hope you all like the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math.